This is the point where it all started going downhill.
Are you okay? I think I'm gonna call it quits.
Quick recap from the previous video. Saturday, I competed in an enduro cross. It was the first time I've ever done it, and luck was on my side. I just wanted to finish the enduro cross, and I ended up winning 2 rounds.
Yeah, man, that was
Woo! Oh my god.
After the race, I hung out with the Midwest family, and I decided to give Cribbage a go. I've never played, but I got all the awesome hands.
So you're talking about this royal flush hand.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I was on a roll, and I was ready to keep it going on Sunday.
Well, that's crazy. The pros are already finishing their hot lap, and I'm just about to go live out.
For me, Sunday consisted of 2 events. The first being the hot lap. It would determine the starting order for the second event, the actual race. I pre-walked most of the course, and I found some bits where I knew that I could pass some people on. I didn't want to let bottlenecks hold me up this time.
There's only 2 ways to do it, and you gotta get a run up. This line is pretty clean, but you see that middle rock? The other line is what he's doing right there, but see right there.
Yeah.
That's your flirt, that's your butt, little butt, you got it.
Everything was going awesome. I passed a ton of people. A small reminder of how heavy the bike is, but this didn't hold me back. This fine gent gave me a little bit of help, and I was back on track.
I appreciate you, man. You, sir, are the man.
Hit that rock on the right side, it'll carry your front wheel left, okay? You feel like you're gonna hit the wall, but you won't.
Okay.
You'll carry it left, carry it right over the crevice.
All right, I trust you, man.
Hey, look at that, another bottleneck. No problem. But then, I had a reality check.
Sorry, man. Are you okay?
I had to lift my bike up, and I used up a lot of my energy.
I'm sorry, dude.
And then it happened again. And again.
Broke one of my rules. I used up all my energy on this stupid rock. Now everybody got in front of me. Oh, that's silly. Man, that was dumb. I really messed up. I'm exhausted, trying to recollect, and I'll go again. I'm not gonna give up though. This might be silly, you might laugh at me, but I'm exhausted right now. And if I continue, I'm gonna use up all my energy and I won't be able to do the race. I think I'm gonna call it quits.
That thing's picnic.
What up, bro? So my family came out to watch. What up, Doug? I made it to the second race and I quit, but I'm lucky because it starts by people that finish the hot lap, and then anybody that didn't finish a hot lap is ordered by alphabetical order, and it's by first name. I'm in row 23, I think. On your right. okay? Oh man, these guys are awesome. Are you the wheelie kid?
Yeah.
You guys are fucking awesome.
Here it is, my second chance for redemption.
I'm gassed. I'm a little further than I was before, but I am gassed. I overheated. I'm taking a break. There you go.
I'm gonna try it. I'll help pull one more time, otherwise I'm going back.
Dude, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Coming up in the next video, you'll see if I finish the amateur race and highlights from the main event. If you're happy that I'm getting tortured and it's not you, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, I encourage you to subscribe and check out the Hard Enduro playlist.
Oh, that's Chris. Wild.